Okay, I've decided to do another YouTube video on using the Windows Microsoft 365. This is referencing tool. So to create your reference list, you go to the references at the top. Just click on Manage Sources. And this brings up this box, and as you can see, I have a list of references here, and I've got them sorted by title, but you could sort them by author or by year if you wanted to. I've got them sorted by title. If you want to search, this is your master list. So what we want to do, if we want to add, say we want to add something to this list, you click New, and it brings up this Create a Source box. Type of source, or if it's a book, or if it's a journal, or if it's a website, or whatever it is. Anyhow, for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to do a book, possibly a journal. So where it says type of source, you put in book, obviously, and then it asks for author, and it's really simple. Just type in the author, last name first, Brown, comma, Dye, and then it's just like a little semicolon and then a space, Edwards, comma, Helen, and the semicolon tells the program that it's another oops. The beauty of this is that it automatically will put in however many is the required amount so on and so forth. Anyhow, I won't put all of them in because it'll take too long. This is called, and then you just put in the title, so it's just a matter of following it. Just following the instructions. Do this. And if you set it up properly in the first place, when you actually type them in, then it's you only have to do it once, and then you can use this for every assignment you do. It's the 3rd edition, so you just write 3rd edition, and you keep going on. It just makes it so much easier to do a reference list. The city where it was published, and then that's it. You click OK, and so what that does is it adds it to your list. which is over this side. So then you can go close. So now when it comes to doing your reference list, you just go references and it automatically adds it in. Then if you want to update it, you click into the reference and it goes update citations. Go into manage sources and just add the ones that you want to add across. For example, if you've got all of these, click close, update, and it just automatically updates them in alphabetical order. And I've got this set at APA, and there's a little drop down box here. You can go down to Harvard, click on Harvard, and it changes it to Harvard referencing. As simple as that. Go back up to APA and it changes it back to APA. Now, for example, I didn't leave a gap at the top, so it'll be a bit hard to do. But anyhow, we'll enter. So say, for example, we're typing away and we want to in-text reference something. Insert citation, you click that, you just choose what you want to insert and it puts it in for you. Perfectly APA referencing. Full stop. Continue. Citation. And it does it again. And it does it perfectly. Because there's rules and regulations. Like, for example, this Berman, the Cosnea and Erb text, has more than 8 authors. So you don't have to list every author. So it does this proper little, you can change the colour of that. You can make it black, you can bold it, you can underline it. Here you can make the font bigger. 12. You can change it to Arial if you want. You don't have to have it what it's set at. Make it 12. So, and then the beauty of this is every single time you do a reference list, you don't have to retype everything. It's all stored in Word in your managed sources. And you just add and delete. It tells you that these have been cited throughout the piece. If you want to add or take out, you just delete it and it takes it out of this list. And it always stays in your master list. It shows you down here what it should look like. Pretty good. It's going to save hours of time.